Today, I'm going to show you the full process of creating an AI character video using Dzine. From signing up on the website to generating a consistent character, turning it into a video, and finally applying realistic lip sync.
And now I can talk! Who knew cartoons could come alive like this?
Let's start from the beginning. First, open your browser and go to Dzine AI. Click on Sign Up. You can register using your Google account or your email address. After logging in, you'll land on the main dashboard. The interface is simple and everything is organized clearly, so even beginners can navigate easily. Before we start creating, let me quickly explain the main tools inside Dzine. The AI video generator allows you to create videos from text or images using different AI models. The lip sync feature lets you match any voice audio to a face in an image or video, creating realistic speaking characters. The consistent character feature helps you lock a character's identity so the same face remains stable across multiple images and videos. And the chat editor allows you to modify visuals just by typing instructions, without using complicated layers or editing tools. Now let's focus on the main workflow. First, we generate a detailed character prompt using GPT. A confident young entrepreneur, male modern casual business outfit, neutral background, soft cinematic lighting, realistic skin texture, half-body portrait, natural expression, professional look, ultra-realistic, 4K, sharp focus. For a female character, you can use a confident young businesswoman, modern professional outfit, soft studio lighting, realistic skin texture, half-body portrait, neutral background, cinematic style, natural expression, ultra-realistic, 4K. The more detailed your prompt, the better your result. Next, go to text-to-image inside Dzine. Paste the prompt, select the latest AI model, and generate the image. Within seconds, you'll have a realistic AI character. If you're not fully satisfied, regenerate until you get the perfect version. Now we move to consistent character. Upload the generated image and let Dzine analyze it. This locks the facial identity, so future outputs maintain the same face, style, and features. This step is essential if you want to build a brand character or AI influencer. Now let's create another image using the same character. Prompt example, character variation. Same character, confident young entrepreneur, speaking to camera, office environment, natural daylight from window, professional atmosphere, cinematic lighting, realistic skin texture. You'll notice the face remains consistent even when the environment changes. After that, go to Image to Video. Upload your consistent character image and select subtle motion options, motion prompt example. Natural head movement, subtle facial expression, slight blinking, realistic idle movement, looking at camera. Generate the video, and your static image will transform into an animated clip while keeping the same identity. Finally, we apply lip sync. Open the lip sync tool, upload the animated video, and add a voiceover file or generate an AI voice inside Dzine. In just a few steps, you can turn a simple image into a talking video. Once you click Generate, the system matches the mouth movements to the audio naturally. Make sure the character actually speaks with sound, because lip movement without audio doesn't fully demonstrate the feature.
Hi everyone, my name is Emma. I was created by the Techify channel using the Dzine website. With Dzine, you can create amazing photos, animations, cartoons, and so much more in just a few clicks. If you want to try it yourself, check out the link in the description and start creating today.
And that's it. The complete workflow looks like this: sign up, generate image, lock consistent character, convert image to video, and apply lip sync. Everything happens inside one platform, without switching between multiple tools. This makes Dzine powerful for creators, marketers, and anyone who wants to produce AI-generated talking videos quickly and efficiently. That's the full process.